Hey, what's up guys? Well, today the daily was driving fine this morning, and then once I got to my destination I started smelling burn. So I thought it was another car, you know, so I didn't really pay attention to it. And then it started smelling inside the car really bad. So I got off and opened the hood and started checking. I didn't see anything at the moment, and got back on the car. All the lights started flickering and everything, and then the car just died. And I tried to turn it back on, and this is what happens. It's completely dead, no power at all. So I was checking earlier. I started checking everything, and I jumped the car to try to turn it back on. And when I jumped it, the starter was on, but it wouldn't turn off. It's like the starter was just making a noise. I'll try to jump in a minute again and see, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because yeah, it's some weird stuff, you know. That never happened to me before. It happened where the starter will stop and it'll take a few turns to turn back on, but it'll turn back on. But today, yeah, the car wouldn't even turn on at all. So I'm guessing it's the starter that went bad. Hopefully it didn't damage the flywheel or anything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the starter right now. I got a brand new one this morning. I got a brand new one earlier today from Advanced Auto Parts. So hopefully that does the trick, and I'll try to record some, but it's getting kind of late here. It's around 7 p.m. so it's gonna start getting dark soon. Alright, so I'll show you guys how. Well, I'm gonna hook it up and see, so you guys can hear the noises it makes. So you guys, so that's the noise I'm talking about. It's on the starter. I don't want to leave it too long. Don't want to catch it on fire. Alright guys, so we're gonna start by removing the intake box and all these little plugs, and then see all these sensors. Unplug all those, remove this cover. There's 2 bolts. There should be, yeah, there's a few sensors there. You gotta remove that. And then we gotta remove this manifold, so I'll show you guys where else to remove. Oh, and also remove this, and that, and then just disconnect the whole tube. I'll show you along the way. Alright guys, so this one I just pull it back. This one just pull back. This one you could just, same thing. Well, there's a little wire clip on it. Once you have that out, and this one, just to plug it from there, move it to the side. And then this one here, there's a screw there, 10mm. There's another one right in between down there to remove this harness, and then another hose here. You just pull that one up, and then you can remove those. And those are 12 millimeters. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of them. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. And just remove your coolant reserve. I'll just pull it out. Set it to the side of it. It's not on the way. See, those are the 2 screws holding the harness. And usually what I do, I always put the screws back in. That way you know where they go. Usually the intake just pulls off from there and just loosen the comes right off. And right here, there's 4 screws, 1 each corner. Then that one doesn't have to come off. You could just put it there in the side. When you pull this one off, see there's a little hose to pull that out, and then there's a 10 millimeter Oh no, you just this little another hose, pull it off. Let's pull this to the side and this. Okay, so there's another sensor down there. Alright guys, so see, there's this sensor here. That sensor goes in there. This one. So that one just unclip it and it clips back off from there. And it looks like it's missing a bolt. I guess somebody done the starter before. Okay guys, so down here see there's just two bolts holding starter, this one and then the one back here. So gotta disconnect. We're gonna take those two off and then we're gonna disconnect those plugs. Alright, I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so this one's a 17, the front one. Hopefully it comes off easy. So the back one's a 14. It's kind of tough to get to though. Alright, so this is the back bolt, it's off. Now, see now the starter's off. We're gonna unbolt that. I believe it's a 12. Yeah, that one's a 12 millimeter. Then there's this harness. Somebody probably broke it or something. They tape it real good. The clip, oh yeah, see? The clip down there is broken. Okay, so yeah, the flywheel looks good. Alright guys, so here's the new starter from Ben's Auto Parts. Gonna throw it back on, it should be the same process. Guys, so go ahead and put your plug back in. Connect your this. I think it's the positive. Just throw it back in there. Alright guys, so yeah, the install's all done, so I'm gonna just jump the car right now and see. Hopefully everything worked out. And I don't hear no noises no more, so that's good. Alright, now at least I could see some lights now. I'm gonna just let it charge a little bit and keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so it's been charging for around 5-10 minutes. So I'm gonna give it a try now and see. Hopefully it turns on. See, now all the dash at least turns on. And there we go. Alright guys, so yeah, it looks like the car's all fixed now. No weird noises. No fire. Nothing. Alright guys, so that's all for today. So hope you guys have a good one, and hopefully this video helps some people out.